Now, this is the last activity for today. This is called Save the World. The very first thing you're going to do is write 25 different things you touch that you can get germs from. For example, if you touch an animal or petting an animal, you can get germs from that. So pretty much anything that you touch, you can get germs from. So I gave you number 1. So now you have 24 more to go. Once you're done, I want you to create or draw a sign and color it where it can remind you and your family to wash your hands for 20 seconds. So if you want to draw the number 20 and that right on the bottom, wash my hands now, and color it and put some shapes and circles, some rainbow colors, however you want to do it. This is just the idea of what you can do with this assignment. Then the last thing is also to draw a sign and color it where every time you touch something, is a reminder for you to wash your hands. So again, if you have a sign with just your hands and you color it, that could be your reminder, oh yes, I need to wash my hands now. So these are some ideas that I want you to do for the remainder of the class.